Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a top tip for tuning the PIDs on your Diatone GT2 2017. Tuning PIDs on your quad can be a fiddly process at the best of times, and anything that makes it easier has got to be good. And when you're out in the field and you want to tweak them, you'll need to connect it to a computer with a USB lead and use the Betaflight Chrome app to change them. Or you can use a mobile app like EasyGUI, or if you've got a capable transmitter, you can use a LUA script to change them. The GT2 2017 model uses the Fury F3 flight controller, which directly supports the Betaflight OSD. So right out of the box you can change the PIDs using the OSD menu directly in your goggles, which makes things really easy. You'll probably find this is already enabled when you get your GT2, but if not, it's really easy to turn on. Just connect your quad to the Betaflight Chrome app, go to the configuration option and scroll down to the other features and select OSD. And then you hit save and reboot, and the OSD is now turned on. So to turn the OSD menu on in your goggles, you need to make these stick movements on your transmitter, but obviously you don't want the quad armed. Mid throttle, your left, and pitch forward. The OSD menu then magically appears in your goggles, and from here you can scroll through the menu with the pitch stick and use the roll stick to select the various options, and values are also changed with your roll stick. Most of these options are self-explanatory if you are already familiar with the Betaflight Chrome app, but not everything in the app is available in the OSD, but basically the essentials are. When you've finished making your changes, go back to the main menu and you need to hit save reboot to actually commit those changes back to the flight controller. If you just exit, you're going to lose them. So if you, there we go, and the flight controller is rebooting. I hope you found that useful. It definitely makes tuning PIDs in the field much easier, and I'm surprised so many GT2 owners don't know about this hidden gem. And by the way, this also works on the original GT2 and any other Betaflight quad with a suitable flight controller. The Matek F4 F5, the DYS F4 Pro, the Holybro Kahute F4, the Omnibus F4 and the Betaflight F3 all directly support the Betaflight OSD. If you're interested, I'll leave my current PID settings for this Stretch GT2 2017 in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you next time.